Hey up YouTubers, Simon B here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all keep it safe out there. Oh, I bet hear that. Cuckoo over there. Cuckoo. Sunday morning, just about 9 o'clock. Out on the 500. Done a few things on the bike. Now this is my this is the bike that I use all the time on the hire business. So it's got to be looked after. It's got to be well maintained. We don't want any breakdowns and stuff like that. We're having a run out, a few lanes, a bit of breakfast, and show you what we've done on this new fandangle things and spent some money. Can't take it with you, can you? And so yeah, fancy a bit of that, as you say. Stick around and stay tuned.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, the 500. We've put a bit of bling on it. Look at that beauty. What I've been having lately on the 500, every time I come back on it after a day's ride, I get 3 or 4 spokes loose, and I had one that I couldn't tighten up. I had to renew it, and they just keep coming loose and stuff like that. And I thought, this is no good. They're all right, aren't they? The wheels, but they're not that brill. The problem is, I think, so like I say, I still got the original one on the front. Is them nipples. Don't know why I said that. They're made of aluminium, so you can imagine the torque off that 50-52 sprocket on that back wheel to keep it going, and the fatigue on them bits of aluminium nipples. It's going to wear them, and that's what it did. So I got that off 24MX. They had it on sale. Took about 6 days to come. Not a bad price. Was it 250? Is it 250 for the rear wheel? Stainless steel spokes, finish as in Finland. Supposedly make the best spokes for bikes, apparently. Bit weird spot to be making spokes. So yeah, we stuck that on Pro Works. New 52 sprocket and a brand new Power Parts 520 chain. Now that thing, people say, what you put that on there for? Should be on something like a KTM Duke or something like that. Well, I don't know if anybody's ever used Vinted. Now, you should use Vinted because the stuff on there is unbelievable. That came off Vinted. We're going, oh, who's selling a chain on Vinted? Search for KTM and it came up. Had the original in the packet, never been used. £149 retail. Go on, how much? How much do you think I paid for that? Well, I was a bit cheeky, really, because the person who had it, I don't think they knew what it was and how much it really did. So the part number, I put it in Google and found it. Yeah, 118 links, fit any sort of KTM bike with a 520 chain. 149. He wanted 30. No, was it 30 quid? 25 quid something. So I offered him 20 quid, and he took it. 20 quid for a £149 chain. So yeah, that's what we've done on there. Some of you eagle-eyed people might have seen them. Now, STEG Pegz. What's all them about? Well, I was riding a couple of weeks ago with a couple of lads over from Scunthorpe, and they had them. I thought it was some sort of system to put some baggage on, and I asked them about it. So what's on there? And apparently it's a new thing from Australia, and what it allows you to do is have your feet. It's basically a locking mechanism to take fatigue from your top end of your body, because you're always gripping on the side of the bike with your feet. Now you don't have to now. Well, you still do, but because when you have your boot on, your boot locks in onto the foot peg and then locks on to the rubber. I've already done this bit of lane, a bit weird, but you sort of feel sort of part of the bike. It's weird. Not a cheap item, but I got them off Facebook. Somebody had said there was a pair somewhere. I went looking and I got them. So it's only first day out, so I don't really know if they're sort of worth it. They should be, I don't know. So he must have selling them because he didn't like them. I don't know. What else have we done? That's about it, really. Oh yeah, my little gear bag. Got that off Amazon. Everybody really wants a little bit of a handlebar bag. Put some tots in, some sweets and that for your day's riding. And it opens and closes while you're riding, so you're not faffing about and messing. It's all right. They say it's waterproof. I don't think it is, but when you're out all day, put your wine gums in and your tots and your sweets and whatever. Not bad, really. I'll put the link down below if you fancy it. I think it's only about 12 quid. I'd say if you're still looking for protection, not that sort of protection, you know what I mean. Our guys at Hard Enduro Store, Hard Glide skid plate, get one bought. So, I'll get back on the bike and have a Ross round. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. Thank you. Hey up YouTubers, welcome back. Stop sniffing sight. The sun's out for a change. Oh, I could say for a change, it's not been so bad really, has it? Well, we've resurfaced up here, all the water, digging the gravel down. What's Mrs. Duck doing in the middle of the road? Right, it's Sunday morning, time's at 5 to 9. Sort of a nip out on the on the 500, done a few bits to it. I'm sure, well, you've probably already seen, yeah, you'd have probably seen that already. Range forecasted about 2 o'clock, I think. Oh, come on. Should remember to change down gear when I stop, but I don't. Somebody's been down here recently. A few tyre marks about. Yeah. I still don't know who did that. Some far before, probably. What's it? Cuckoo. Nice to hear. Cuckoo. This mount used to fit well on here. I don't know why it doesn't anymore. So yeah, first sort of laid with the these STEG Pegz on. They're a bit weird. They're a bit strange. Hope they don't make me fall off. Yeah, they're a bit weird. Brakes haven't bedded in on this new wheel yet. It's not back brakes, not working very well. It's not locking up and braking as hard as what it usually does. Water. So that's getting back to what it used to look like. A big step in there, and the water coming down. Could do with a bit of water management, to be honest. Like this bit here. It's very similar. I'm going to do about 3-4 lanes today and turn around and come back again. Really? You just need to be out, don't you? This this chain has made this bike quiet again. There's a bloody thing slapping around all the time. Look how green it is now. These STEG Pegz are making my legs burn. I don't know why. I'm just not used to them. Yeah, look how green it is. Anyway, see you in a bit. Hey up YouTubers, welcome back. Let's see what this is like at the moment. Welcome to Garsdale Forest. It's gonna be slippy. Watch your grip about. There's slippy rocks. Can't see a cut lot neither. Oh, look at the rocks, you lit it. Just keep going. Big rock, big rock. Couldn't even wheelie over that. No traction. I say it's been dry for a bit. We've had a bit of a rain the last couple of days, bits of rain, nothing, not loads of it. Had some of this slate is not very grippable. Blue skies, greenery. What more do you want? That's what it's all about, being out. Anyway, see you in a bit.
Like and subscribe.